This first excerpt, it's all about the character of the piece. Very playful, like the character Till Eulenspiegel. So we have to think about light staccato playing, and it's quite awkward harmonically, and it doesn't lie that well on the instrument, so we have to think about different fingerings. So the first note, crescendo, forte, then piano. So just a gentle, just to make the notes speak. The fingering I use here is I try to move as little as possible. So start in the half position, move up to the first position, then move up one more position. So I can play those three chromatic notes without moving. Back to the first position, and then the same for the second phrase. So I try and keep it as light and as playful as possible, hopefully matching the character of the main protagonist, and move my left hand as little as possible.